Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talk with Prush. It's your favorite girl, and today I bring you a new movie called A Crumbling Affair. Now, this new movie is starring the likes of Clinton Joshua, Ray Emodi, Lydia Lawrence Nze, Victoria Ebuchere, Kwenindi Dudu, Ekene Onochie, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, this movie is basically about a man who cheats on his wife, and with the whole tension and anxiety that is brewing in their marriage, they bring in their siblings to watch out for each other, for the fear of one person killing the other, which is very funny because these two people love themselves. But instead of their siblings to come and do what they asked them to do, they decided to come together to find out what the problem is in their siblings' marriage and how to bring back their siblings to help their failing marriage, basically. Now, also in this movie, it turns out that the supposed best friend of this lady is the one who is the person trying to destroy her marriage. She's the one that turns out to be the side chick. It turns out that the husband had like a one night a fling with this lady just once, and she took it up and she decided to be manipulative about it. She decided to just ruin the marriage for her to be able to come in. Now this movie basically teaches that sometimes the angel you think is not always the angel, because no one would have thought that her friend would be the one who would turn out to be the side chick who was trying to ruin her marriage. She wasn't even a side chick in quotes. She was just a lady who just wanted her friend's husband by all means. Now, we're going to go into a few comments from some people that have watched this movie. Somebody said, can we talk about the movie and the message it's passing? Okay. Somebody also said, the most dangerous person walking this earth is a fake, disloyal, envious, jealous person, especially the ones that call themselves friends. Another person said, um, oh, there are lots of comments here. I'm just trying to scroll through them. Another person said, nobody is talking about Lydia Lawrence and say her acting is top notch. Yes, I think so. Her acting is top notch too. And the last comment we're going to take, somebody said, sometimes the people we trust with our lives are the same people who want to see us fall. The world is full of wickedness, so they guard up. Good job, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you guys for the comments. I absolutely agree with a lot of the comments that I see from this movie. I know most people don't like to put their guards up around their friends, but that is why you have to look very well before you pick your friends. Make sure that the person you call your friend has your best interest at heart. Don't just go and be picking random people as your friends, because your friends can actually make or mar you. So, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section. There's also going to be an update concerning this channel later on. I will give you guys the updates. For now, please continue to watch and stay blessed. Bye.